We have talked a few times about things that assist with hair growth.
What's more, the present tip works for hair and beard growth. Did you realize that?
On the off chance that you fantasy about having long hair or a longer facial hair growth, you will cherish this formula we will show you. Do you know somebody who needs to develop their hair or a man who needs to develop his facial hair? Share this video with them. There are many demonstrated recipes for hair and facial hair growth. Both men and women experience going bald sooner or later in their lives. Yet did you realize that peppermint oil is demonstrated to be productive for hair growth? Ongoing examination shows that the oil of Mentha, piperita, another name for peppermint, is much more productive than Minoxidil, a medication loaded with results for hair development. Did you realize that? The main ingredient of peppermint oil is menthol, responsible for its beneficial effects. It produces a refreshing sensation and is commonly used as a flavoring for foods and beverages and fragrance for soaps and cosmetics. Peppermint essential oil is one of the best oils to alleviate migraines and headaches, allergies, pain and inflammation, and eliminate warts. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Using peppermint oil is super easy. Combine 12 drops of peppermint oil with 1 ounce of carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil. After that, pour the mixture into a glass pipette bottle. After that, part your hair in half and apply 4 drops of peppermint mixture over your head. Gently massage with your fingertips. Part each side in half again and use the oil once more. Do that twice a day, in the morning and at the night.
Oh, if you want, you can also add it to your shampoo. Add 23 drops of the peppermint mixture to 6.75 ounces of your daily shampoo. For your beard, the procedure is to apply 2 drops of the mixture in the desired area and massage. Let it act for at least 30 minutes. Before starting this treatment, do an allergy test on your forearm to ensure that you won't have any skin reactions. And remember to not let the mixture touch your eyes. So what do you think of this recipe? Did you know about this study and the benefits of peppermint?
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.